We do a lot of work in capital planning, and we have for years. Several of us have pretty extensive design backgrounds, so we bring that to the table, but we also bring a strong programming and space planning background to the table, and we add value by helping our clients right-size their facilities. We add value in capital project planning to end users and architects by helping them vision for the facilities of the future. Our proprietary demand analysis work helps us right-size facilities so that they're not too big and they're not too small, and that saves people a lot of money in capital investment. The other way that we add value is as the plans are developing for the facility, we can analyze the operational cost impact of different design decisions so that we help people ensure that not only are the buildings themselves right-sized and appropriately costed, but that the operating cost is going to be aligned with what they can afford, so that they don't find out after the fact that their building is too costly for them to operate. Something that makes us unique in terms of providing capital planning services is that our team is very experienced in both operations management as well as in facility design. So while we don't do full scope design work, we understand how operational decisions affect design and how design affects operations, and we help translate the client's vision and the client's needs in ways that architects and other members of the design team can understand and therefore execute so that what actually is built is matching the vision for the project. Well, we do a lot of capital planning work, and we do that in a variety of different markets, in higher education, in corporate dining, and in healthcare primarily. We do work in both new facility development and renovation planning. And they tend to come along when a facility has reached the end of its useful life, or if conditions on a campus or an environment have changed. For instance, increases to population, increases in residence occupancy, or the development of new residence halls, or just general growth, and sometimes actually the opposite when something is getting smaller and the facilities need to downsize and align more properly with a new population. We firmly believe, and we have plenty of examples that bear this out, that our services absolutely pay for themselves in all areas of capital project planning, because we not only help our clients understand exactly the size and nature of the facility and what it needs to be, and we do that in a very granular and data-driven way, but we also help them understand what it's going to cost to operate and how different design decisions affect the cost of operations, so that as the design is developing, we're helping them optimize their operating costs at the same time. So at the end of the day, the revenue that's accruing to that location and the cost offset is such that there's a return on investment that helps pay for the project.